everybody, thanks for watching today. We will be using Deco Art Fluid Paint. It's a pour paint and it just goes wherever it wants. So what I'm doing is applying some black. So I am adding some paint, but I'm also going to be using a sponge. I like to get in the little grooves of the canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That way I can get every little bit of it in there. This paint that I am using is very messy, so you might want to cover your surface and wear gloves if you want. And here we have my messy hands. So I'm going to go ahead and make a flower. That's the plan. This paint just goes everywhere, so you have to really work with it and just accept what it comes out to be. It's very fun, very relaxing, and you just can be very creative and just have a good time with it. You can see that it's starting to look like just a blob. So I'm going to go ahead and add a lighter shade of pink on top. I'm going to be adding orange in the center and then yellow on top of that. It kind of looks like a flower now, but it's going to get better. I'm going to use the end of my brush, any brush or anything with the tip. I'm just working from the middle and pulling out the paint to form some tips. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the yellow paint Now I'm going to use a straw. It kind of brings the bottom paint up a little bit and it blends the paint together. I'm going to go ahead and use the end of my brush again and start dragging out the paint so that way the petals can form the way I want them to. As I'm looking at this flower form, it's starting to look like a poinsettia, but I really didn't want that right now. I wanted something different. Let's add a little bit of black. I'm going to add a little bit of light pink. It is starting to look so good already. I think I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to tilt the canvas a little bit and let the paint just go where it wants to. I'm going to go ahead and work with the end of my paintbrush again. I keep on doing this until I am very happy with it. So here's what it looks like. I think it looks like a amaryllis or a sea flower. My husband thought it looked like a face hugger. What do you think it looks like? I hope you like it. It was a lot of fun and it was very relaxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you watch my other videos. Thanks so much.